Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get paid here in Squarespace. Let's begin. To get paid on Squarespace, you need to set up a payment processing for your online store or services. Number one is we need to set up a commerce plan. Ensure you are using a commerce plan as it is required for selling products or services online. Basically, Squarespace has different plans like business, personal, of course, and the commerce. The commerce has the basic and advanced features, and for more advanced selling tools, the commerce plans are recommended. All you have to do if you are using the free trial, you might want to hover to the commerce plan because this is the only way for you to get paid here in Squarespace. I want you to click on the Get Started option. Because from here, if you haven't already created your site, you might want to choose from all these templates. Of course, we're looking for something like, if you don't want to choose from any of the options, just click on skip. Of course, we're going to sell products, right? Because we're gonna get paid. If you are gonna get paid of not selling products, you might want to promote a physical business, showcase your work or expertise if you are one of those creative professional. You can also sell online courses if you want, or publish a blog or other media and get ads for it and get paid later, or even sell on-demand videos. So these are going to be some of your options. If you're offering maybe a membership, you might want to select that as well. Click on next. Now you have two options here. You can create a website where you want to get paid using an AI, or browse some of these templates. Now, I'm going to make sure I'm going to be using this template so I can get paid and sell my services. Now, if you wanted to check if this is going to be the template for you and check the responsiveness in the desktop version and the mobile version, you might want to do so. Click on View Demo Site to test waters to see if this is going to be the template that they're going to start with. And if you wanted to, there's going to be an option here that says create a site like this. Click that, and you would be forwarded to this option. You have you can start with the sample color preset. Say, for example, this, maybe this one right here. This could work. Now, after that, I want you to click on Start with this design. What will happen is you would be forwarded in the page editor. Just wait while Squarespace is loading up the builder for you, and it's gonna create a default website wherein you can customize all of them to get you paid later on. Wait for it to load. Now here, obviously, we are going to rename this site as this one. Click and continue. Of course, you can here's everything you need to sell anything: physical products, bookable appointments for clients, access to content, courses, and more. Of course, we're going to be paid later on. All right, get started, and there you go. Now, we're not gonna dive deep on how to customize the page. The next thing that we're going to do is click on this option right here that says settings, and we're going to click the selling option. First off, we need to create the payment method. That is very important. All right. We need to connect a payment processor because Squarespace allows you to connect to popular payment processors. Like if you click on this option right here, you can add ways to receive payments. These are some of the options. Stripe, you can connect Stripe to let customers pay with all major credit cards. You can also have the Apple Pay and Afterpay, ClearPay. All I have to do is click on connect. If you have a PayPal account, you might want to click the PayPal business to let customers pay with a PayPal or Venmo account. Click on connect. And the last option is going to be the Square. You can connect Square to let customers pay in person with cash and credit cards connect. If you click on Stripe, you would be forwarded here. Now, if this happens, what you need to do is just forward and put all the information here. For example, if you have a Stripe account, you can use that. Obviously, I'm using my own account here. We'll click on next, and then need to create the password. Wait for it, and you would be forwarded to the Stripe account if you have so. Now you can set up two-step authentication, and you're good to go. Basically, Stripe is typically used for direct credit card payments and is available in more countries compared to PayPal. Afterpay and ClearPay can be used for offering buy now, pay later options if that is available in your country. For example, if you click on the PayPal right here, all right, you see, I can't connect a PayPal account while in trial mode. All right, so you need to upgrade to the commerce plans because that is the only way for you to be able to connect your PayPal. In my case, I'm just using the free trial, so I can't connect PayPal. Instead, I can only connect Stripe at this point. Now after that, make sure you go to the permissions and ownership, and you can invite people to edit the site, manage permissions, and transfer ownership. For example, if you're working with multiple freelancers or maybe with their client or team members within your organization and you wanted them to accept payments and do the back end of the website, you might want to click that so they can work on getting paid. Now, after doing all of this, I need you to click on the X right here and go to the products and services. All right. So now we are going to create a new product out of scratch. You can create the physical product, service, download, gift card, or custom merchandise. In our case, we're just going to click on the service for now. From here, so we can sell products or services and then of course get paid from it. Product name is this. You can add an image if you want. Now click on next. All right, so you can put in unlimited stocks if you wanted. Price is set to this. Add more details if you want. Description. You can put in the on sale if you wanted. Organization. SEO and URL. Make sure that's that. You can also add custom forms if you want. And once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on save. You have now created your first product here. Now, again, go to the settings, go to selling, make sure on the taxes, you need to configure the taxes and shipping. All right. You can manage how and where your business collects tax. If you wanted, you can add a checkout, or if you want to include a price, you can also set tax rates for specific locations. If you want to put in, for example, in this country, right? Go to the state, say for example, California. Click on next, right? And you can add charges, taxes on shipping as well. Click on save. Basically, that's how you ensure that your online store is ready to accept payments and get paid smoothly. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.